Pitong taon siyang naging congressman ng 4th District ng Quezon City. Ngunit mas nakilala siya nang maglingkod bilang alkalde ng Quezon City sa loob ng 9 na taon. Sinasabing sa loob ng kanyang pamumuno bilang mayor ng QC, na ibangon niya ang lungsod bilang isa sa top city sa buong Asya. At ngayon, sa kanyang muling pagkakaupo bilang congressman ng Quezon City, siya ang hinalal sa pang-apat na pinakamataas na pwesto sa ating bansa. Alamin natin ang sikreto sa tagumpay sa politika ng House Speaker ng 15th Philippine Congress, si Feliciano Sonny Belmonte Jr. dito sa Powerhouse. Speaker, Powerhouse po, narito na.
Hi,
How
hi,
are you?
Yeah, welcome.
Thank you so much.
Welcome to our house.
Thank you so
Yeah.
much. Panganay sa 8 anak ni Nahukom Feliciano Belmonte Sr. at Luz Racimo, nagtapos si Sonny Belmonte ng abogasya sa Lyceum of the Philippines. At alam niyo ba na habang nasa law school, tinustusan niya ang kanyang pag-aaral sa pamagitan ng pagiging reporter para sa pahayagang Manila Chronicle sa edad na 16. Sa panahong ito niya nakilala ang babaeng magiging bahagi ng kanyang buhay sa loob ng halos 35 taon, si Betty Go Belmonte. At ang tahanang ito ang nagsilbing saksi sa kanilang pagsasama bilang pamilya, kasama ang 4 nilang anak na sina Isaac, Kevin, Miguel at Joy. Bakas ang mga mahalagang alaala ng bahay na ito na makaluma ang disenyo, mula sa mga brick walls hanggang sa mga arched windows nito na talaga namang classic ang dating. Speaker, tell us about the house.
Well, Mel, this is a part of our life. We moved into here 47 years ago when we brought my third son, Miguel, now a big shot president of a company, of a whole group.
So ito po ang kauna-unahan ninyong conjugal house?
Yes.
The one and only and the last na
And this is where all my children grew up.
So little by little binili niyo yung buong compound. Gano'ng kalaki po ba ito?
The original was siguro mga 4,000.
4,000 square meters. The original. Pero ngayon?
Siguro mga 8 na ngayon.
Oh, wow.
Or ganun, mga more or less like that. Because we also acquired from our
The
neighbor.
neighbors binili na rin
One
ninyo.
lang, one neighbor.
One neighbor binili na rin ninyo.
This place where we are, this is the result of the fact na I got into JC politics.
JC meaning the JCs.
The JCs, the
Okay.
junior chamber, yeah. And we needed a bigger place for
meetings and ano,
so
yes.
forth.
So,
And the campaign headquarters of Tita Cory in the snap elections of 1986 was
rin,
this
huh?
place then.
Wow. What else do you recall? Sige nga,
Well,
let's hear.
Yung mga presidents from Ramos, from Cory, from GMA. Si Erap lang hindi napunta rito. Si Noynoy.
Have been here.
They have been here to have
Okay.
breakfast here or to attend a meeting here.
Okay. Hindi rin matatawaran ng koleksyon ng antiques at paintings ni Speaker. Kaya't animo isang malaking gallery ang kanyang tahanan.
Hey Mel, come on in.
This is your
To the
living
house.
room.
This is the living room, yeah.
Sir, napansin ko, daming paintings sa bahay ninyo.
Yeah.
Who between you and Mrs. Belmonte is
She started
mahilig?
it. She started it, but I continued it.
You took it on?
I took it on. You know, most of the paintings here are from one guy, si Ang Kyu Kok. Ang Kyu Kok lived in the vicinity of this house.
Okay.
Diyan when we come from work, dadaan kami sandali ron.
Ang magkaibigan kayo.
Good
Personal
friend namin.
friends.
Personal friends. That's our wedding picture.
So beautiful.
Kung kami, yeah, I was just 23 at that time.
23 and Mrs. Belmonte was
2 years older,
2 years
25.
older.
Kung kami, and then these are our, this is a picture, big shot na siya when the
Big
picture
shot
was
na siya
taken,
dito.
owner of the Philippine Star
Yeah,
and so
Philippine
forth.
Star. And the children,
And,
well, their wedding
And
pictures.
these are their, Isaac is the oldest, followed by Miguel, by Kevin, Miguel, and Joy.
Unang naihalal sa pwesto si Sunny Belmonte taong 1992 bilang kinatawan ng 4th District ng Quezon City. Enero taong 1994, sa kalagitnaan ng kanyang unang termino bilang congressman, pumanaw ang kanyang asawa, si Betty Go Belmonte. Mapait man para kay SB ang pagyao ng kanyang asawa dahil sa bone cancer, sariwa pa rin sa kanya ang matatamis na alaala ng kanyang matatag na pagsasama.
In our own bedroom was where my wife died in 1984. Kaya, okay lang. Right here. This is where her wake was held. So, talagang panito, talagang memorable.
What is it about her that constantly, remains in your mind?
Her loving, concerned nature, ganon. Strong woman then. Yeah, kamakam mo.
And may I ask a personal question? You have been a widower for so long. Has it ever crossed your mind to, to have a partner in life?
Well, God will provide.
God will provide, huh? But God said not, and it shall be given.
Kaya pala, sir, kayo ay nafi-feature sa mga blind items.
I don't think so.
With this and that and this and that. Woman, is it wrong to...
No.
It's
not-
not.
it's not wrong.
But is it correct
Alin?
that you have been dating and...
I think privately lang naman.
oh, of course,
Lalo naman tayo
privately
pa.
or publicly, so
Yeah,
the
sure.
same.
I mean, I don't see any. I don't see any
Anything
impediment
wrong? Of course,
whatsoever.
of course.
Yeah.
It's just that
Nothing.
you are still open to that idea.
Yeah.
Taong 2001, sa kanyang ikatlong termino bilang congressman, matatandaang siya ang naging lead prosecutor sa naging impeachment trial laban sa dating Pangulong Joseph Estrada.
How are you with Erap now?
Very good friends.
Very good friends. Paano po yung nangyari?
Because, naman, I was never one of his followers. Remember that? Huh?
Okay.
I had always been on the other side. I'm doing my job. I never did anything. I never acted on a personal bias or anything like that. So, magkaibigan naman kami.
Pero nagkaroon ho ba ng a confrontation or let me say, a meeting between the two of you to thresh? Wala. That palang just came naturally na, that let bygones be bygones.
One of my
something like
birthdays
this.
when I was a mayor,
You invited him.
I invited him and he showed up.
Dahil raw sa kanyang style of leadership na tumagal ng 3 termino, naging isa ang Quezon City sa pinaka-progresibong lungsod, hindi lamang sa bansa, kundi pati sa buong Asya.
Everybody said you're a one-term mayor.
Aha.
Sabi ko, well, so be it. Pero this city really needs it. And eventually, even the people who were called upon to make the payments, meaning to say the businessmen,
The businessmen.
have come to regard that it was a necessary thing, and it led to the resurgence of Quezon City.
Yes.
And I was, in fact, the most outstanding city mayor in the Philippines.
Simula nang bumukod ang 3 lalaking anak ni SB, sila na lamang ng unikaiha na si Joy ang tila nagsasalo sa dining area na ito, na puno rin ng paintings. So, Speaker, ito po inyong formal dining room?
Ito pa, let me just say, as long as we're talking about it, the table na ito, ang ilalim nito is a trunk of a tree.
Trunk of a tree.
Ang ilalim nito.
Isang buong trunk ng
Yeah.
tree. Oh, yes, yes.
Trunk of a tree.
Tapos, ito ang natural,
I have no
what do you call
idea.
it?
This was just left to us
Oh.
by the sister of my wife.
What is the three-dimensional Last
Yeah,
Supper? Beautiful.
this Last Supper, this is from Paete. And it's been there from the start of this house. The Mel, no? These are These are fruits by Angden.
Ang cocktail.
Yeah, some of them I just found in his drawer. And I bought it from him.
Ako si Maria Josefina Tanya Go Belmonte Alimurong.
At tila totoo ngang ang bunga ay di nalalayo sa puno. Dahil tumakbo at nanalo sa pagka-vice alkalde ang kanyang anak na babae noong nakaraang taon.
Sir, let's talk about Vice Mayor Joy. Marami kasing nagsasabi noon na masyado daw bata eh.
No, not at all.
Hindi.
No, not
Hindi.
at all. No, not at all. She's an Ateneo graduate.
Okay.
She spent 1 year of her life in Kadingilan, Bukidnon
Aha.
as a Jesuit volunteer.
Yes. Pero apat po ang anak ninyo eh, di ba? You have 4 children. O bakit si Vice Mayor Joy ba yung ginroom ninyo?
Well, I didn't
To
groom
be a
anybody. In fact,
politician? You did
in
not?
fact, she was a little pissed off at me because one of my nephews ran for councilor. Sabi niya, why didn't you think of me? Oh. Sabi ko, you've gotten married, Ikapo, and you cannot just decide for yourself.
Okay.
Oh. Pero the whole thing came very easily to her.
Kakaibang Sonny Belmonte ang aming nakilala sa loob ng kanyang sariling tahanan. Bawat sulok, bawat gamit, may kwento si speaker. Kahit ang loob ng kanilang kusina, puno rin ng alaala.
Of course, you hardly are here in the kitchen.
These are ito for instance. These are Mana,
Mana.
JPD,
Yes.
Josefina and Pio Duran. Josefina and Pio Duran.
NPO?
And the husband.
Mag-asawa.
My husband
Josefina NPO Duran.
For
Your
the-
auntie?
Yes.
Yung kinalakihan, nagpalaki sa inyo na auntie ninyo.
No, when she died, kami nakamana niyang
Antique pa rin, ano?
mana.
Sa pagbubukas ng ika-16 na kongreso, si Feliciano Sonny Belmonte Jr. na nga ang hinirang na bagong House Speaker.
Motion to defer the reading of the journal. Any objections? If none, motion is approved.
At sa loob pa lang ng halos isang taon, ilang issue na ang mainit na pinagdedebatihan sa ilalim ng kanyang pamumuno.
But there are talks here eh, na you are for Chacha because you want, you are batting for a higher position.
Not at all.
Meron bang ganon?
Not at all.
How do you feel about celebrities being in the lower house?
A lot of them are quite accomplished people, and they contribute their bit to the work of the Congress.
Apo, apo.
And no, I'm perfectly happy with them.
Well, what about the congressmen who have figured in certain cases?
Well, Ronald, in my time, never sat even for 1 day.
Yes,
But the
yes,
moment
yes.
he was convicted and his father talked to me, he has resigned because I asked him
yeah.
to give. He has resigned, and I have instructed the Secretary General to drop him from the rolls.
Okay.
That's the end of the story. In the case of Cleo, Rebecca Cleo, on the other hand, his cases are still pending. He has become perpetually disqualified, and we just drop him from the rolls.
Karamihan raw sa miyembro ng Kamara nakabisita na o nagpulong na raw sa lanay na ito.
Sir, sino yung mga matatandang...
Well, my parents, my parents.
Yes,
My
okay.
father was a judge,
Feliciano Belmonte
and
Sr.
my mother was local.
Sir, paliwanag nyo kayo malaking
These are the painting. This is a photograph.
it's a photograph.
Photograph, and then they painted over it. I don't know the lady. Di ko kilala itong lady ito. But I bought it because she represents an era of the Philippines. Yung mga beauty queens na ganito, Queen this, Queen that. So nakalagay Queen Carmen II, and her real name is Carmen Gonzalez. Mutya ng Silangan, San Lazaro, Santa Cruz, Rizal Day, 1928.
1928.
Isa sa patuloy na pinagdidiskusyonan sa plenaryo ang kontrobersyal na Reproductive Health Bill o mas kilala bilang RH Bill. At bilang pinuno ng mababang kapulungan, mapapagitnaan si Sonny Belmonte ng mga mambabatas na pro at anti sa naturang House Bill.
Ano po ba ang ano nyo doon? What is your stand?
I'm in favor of the RH bill.
In favor. So pro RH bill po kayo.
I can see that almost everybody has his own mind on it. And I'm not about to pigeonhole anybody, buttonhole anybody and say, ganito tayo, ganyan.
Oo.
I think this is one of those cases where people can make up their mind easily, you know. But nonetheless, we do have a right to try to finish it off, one way or the other, and not bequeath it to the next Congress and the next Congress and the next Congress. Ito, tapusin na natin to.
Maliban sa pagiging dating mayor, kongresista at ngayon ay House Speaker, si Congressman Sonny Belmonte isa ring mapagmahal na lolo sa kanyang mga apo. Heto't ang kanilang TV room. Nagsisilbi na ring playroom para sa kanyang apo kay Vice Mayor Joy Belmonte.
Mel,
Playroom. It's now a playroom
Playroom,
ng mga apo ninyo. But punong-puno pa rin ng
But you look at
ng
this,
paintings.
this was the outside wall before.
Oo.
So this thing did not exist when we...
Addition na ito.
Addition na ito.
Addition na ito. Punong-puno pa rin ho ng paintings.
Mga
ang Kyungko
except these two, these are, si Alquas died recently.
Oh, yes.
But Alquas was also our friend.
That's your wife.
That's Betty.
At kayo yung isa.
Ako yung isa.
The two.
So that's how we looked in 1984.
How refreshing to see that after all of the paintings from the masters, I see paintings here and artworks that
Yung kids.
are these are from your grandchildren. I imagine. Nakakatuwa.
Kita ba niyan?
Naka-display din sila, yung mga artworks ng mga bata. Sa kabila ng tila tuloy-tuloy na tagumpay ni Speaker Belmonte, alam niyang may hangganan din ang kanyang pagiging halal na lingkod bayan.
Hanggang dyan na lang kayo ng
I-
speakership?
I think so. I think so.
Congress na, susunod,
I think so.
Senate.
Kahit na nung mayor ako sabi ko, hanggang dito lang ako sa mayor.
So that's the answer, you cannot say that this will be
Oo.
the last...
Ito yun. I can
so,
say.
pwede
Oo.
pang...
Ako age-wise sa tingin ko, dito na lang.
But you're not
But
that
really,
old. I mean,
never mind how active I am. But the fact of the matter is, I really feel that younger people should be occupying these very demanding positions that are around.
Iwanan man niya ang mundo ng politika, ang tahanang ito na puno ng makulay at masasayang alaala sa loob ng 4 na dekada, ang nag-iisang bagay na hindi niya raw kailanman iiwan.
This is 1982.
82?
So, 83, magulo na rin sa atin. So, 82 was these two had just graduated from high school in Xavier School.
pa ni Joy?
This boy was about 10 at the time. So this was given to us,
Okay.
And this is terrific, but let me show you why. Look at what's written on the back.
Dear Betty and Sunny, please accept needlepoint. See, I told you. This needlepoint frame, which is 1 of 7 I finished this year. With this go my heartfelt wishes for a joyous Christmas season. All the best. Cory Aquino, December 16, 1987. I put my initials on the right side.
Because she was actually president when she gave it to us.
how do you see yourself after you have already left politics, if ever you do?
Continue to help people in a NGO basis, on a advisory thing, ganon.
But
And,
still working with people.
Yeah, still working because I really feel that it is the working thing that has kept you going.
Sir, maraming salamat po.
Thank you.
Sa oras na ibigay niyo sa Powerhouse. I enjoyed touring your house, especially your collection of paintings. It's the biggest and I'd say the best I've seen so far. Thank you so much.
Well, maraming salamat, Mel, and more power to Powerhouse.
Thank you.
And actually, this is the first time anybody has photographed the insides of this house.
Kaya maraming salamat po. Public office is a public trust, ika nga. At bilang House Speaker, malaking hamon para kay SB natuparin ang mga pagbabagong ipinangako ng kasalukuyang administrasyon tungo sa daang matuwid. Hanggang sa susunod na Lunes po, samahan niyo kaming bisitahin ang bahay at buhay ng mga personalidad na nabibilang sa Powerhouse.